We're getting so close to seeding this cooch section out here that was kaiku at the moment, but lately we've been doing some garden bed work. So as you can see here, we've ripped out a ton of ivy, a ton of nasty stuff. Still haven't got the grass out of the gutters there. Just trying to propagate some, you know. No, I don't even know what that grass is, to be honest. I need to get up there. We've got gutter guard on the gutters. So I need to get rid of the gutter guard because it's just causing so many problems. It's frustrating stuff. But there's so many trees here, and then just give the gutters a really good clean out. Huge job to do, so I need to get it done. But today, just a bit of a satisfying video, clean up, fixing your irrigation up, filling the trenches in, pulling stuff out of the garden beds, getting it all cleaned out, and just making this area look a lot tidier, ready for when we put some seed down in the coming weeks. So enjoy the vid, super satisfying. I love this stuff. And then soon, we'll be seeding.
Go for a drive, boys.
Where am I dropping this?
In the paddock, bro.
Where in the paddock?
Can you see the pile of crap over there?
No, do it where the old pile was. There's like up against the wall. You'll see dirt piles there.
Up against the wall, up against the wall.
Salad.
What's it look like? Frogman.
What?
Frogman.
Just putting some check valves in here to stop these leaking, especially the ones in the low points. Just stop air getting in the line when they finish sprinkler dinkling. I think these are like $1 a pop or something. Pretty cheap.
Yep.
So there's even water coming up now.
Yep.
Still on the line.
Stops the dripping coming out too.
Too much.
So you always put these in the low points of your irrigation system.
I'm just chucking them all of them though.
Okay, you can do that too, if you can afford it.
Just send it. $1 a pop.
I'm rich. $1 per thing.
Too bad job this one.
I'm just watching, I'm learning. Oh, is it that easy? It's that easy, son. Wrong way. I was waiting for you to say that. Now you were.
You thought you were going to hit then, you sort of flinched.
Me?
Yeah.
It hits me.